Welcome to BizAIO. In this video, from the left side menu, go to the ERP module, select Finance, and then click on Payments. You can also define a date range using the duration field, search by client name, or use the search bar to find specific payment details. Alternatively, you can filter the results by project or status. To add a payment, click on Add Payment, then select the project or invoice, enter the amount, currency, exchange rate, transaction ID, and choose a payment gateway such as offline or bank. You can also add a bank account, receipt or any supporting document, and remarks. Once done, click Save to add the payment. Next, you can also add a bulk payment by selecting Add Bulk Payment. Choose the client, select the invoices, specify the payment method, enter the transaction ID and amount received, then click Save. From the Action button, you can view, download, or delete a payment, and you can also export the payment data. And that's how you manage client payments in BizAIO. To get started, go to the Settings menu from the left sidebar. Then select Payment Credentials. Check the PayPal status box to enable the gateway. Select the environment, live or sandbox, then enter your sandbox PayPal client ID and secret. Copy the webhook URL and add it to your PayPal app's webhook settings. Once done, click Save to apply the changes. Here, you can choose other payment methods like Stripe, Paystack, Square, Payfast, offline payment, and more. To add an offline method, click Add Offline Method at the top of the screen, enter the details, and click Save to apply. From the Action button, you can edit or delete payment methods. That's it. Your payment credential settings are now configured and ready to use on your platform. To access tax settings, go to Settings from the sidebar and select Tax Settings. Click Add Tax to create a new tax, enter the tax name, age, service tax, and the rate as a percentage. Click Save when done. Use the Action button to edit or delete asset types. That's how easily you can manage tax settings in BizAIO.